Wow, that's a very good one. That's a very good one. So you go to one day to make your house look a downtrend. You want to follow, you want to follow the direction, you want to follow the trend. Very true. Wow. So right now you that's a very good one. Very good. Welcome, Pelumi. Welcome. Welcome back to yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's been a while, truly. I just came back today. I actually just came back 2 hours ago, like I think 2 hours. Peter is making full cash now. He's splitting account. I said Peter is making full cash now. He's flipping accounts. Yeah. Thing is, for BTC USD, if you want to catch trades on BTC USD, break and retest is what you catch. And whenever you see break and retest on BTC USD, the target 1,000. This minimum is to give you. Why the maximum is 5,000? So the thing is, it can move back. Yeah, it can move back up rapidly. Yeah, but just know once you catch the break and retest on GBP USD, especially when you see the break and retest on 4 hours, it will give you at least 1,000. All right. It's good to stick to one. Just stick to BTC USD since that works for you. You know the secret. You know the secret to trading. You know the secret to trading. The secret to trading. The secret. The secret to trading is there's no secret. Do you understand? The secret to trading is there's no secret. So what you have to do to GBP USD, yeah, since you already remember there are different type of strategies. There's ICT, there's SMC, and there's price action, right? So what you have to do to GBP USD is to combine that knowledge you've known, and you're going to see your strategy out. And you're going to create a strategy in GBP USD added to your break test. Yeah, you can easily create a strategy for tracking the GBP USD added to the break test. That is exactly what you can look out for. And you have your own. Yeah. Even ICT uses support and resistance, but ICT uses is just saying it just to show off. ICT uses support and resistance. What they do in ICT? Let's battle talk about ICT, but that's already use it. So battle here is using ICT. Am I right, battle? Battle, battle, can you hear me? All right. So you're using ICT, right, battle? All right, all right, all right. I said you are using ICT, right? That's strategy you are using. Or is it SMC? All right, but make sure you don't throw away SMC. Make SMC as an added confluence for you for yourself. Don't throw it away. Like your other block, liquidity, fair value gap. They are very, very important. So don't throw them away. All right. So the normal process really let's go to the chart. Tomorrow is Monday. Let's go to the chart. Let's not sleep on it. Tomorrow is Monday. Money must be made on Monday. Yeah. Well, we'll see our entry. All right. So let's see. What did you analyze? What did you analyze on the price? Okay. All right. All right. Yeah. Expect something like this, right? Then higher, right? Yeah. Expecting to place a trade from from this point. So this is your trade right here. All right. So you're expecting more buys, more buys. Trend is your friend, truly. All right. Pelumi, can you hear me? Do you have any analysis, Pelumi? What are you looking out for? Have you looked at your charts to see where go here? You're expecting next week. Have you looked at your chart to see what you will be expecting next week? Euro USD. All right. So what did you see at Euro USD? Okay. All right. So Pastor, please permit me. Let's switch to you. You come back to Euro USD. Let me see Euro USD for a bit. Euro USD. All right, let's see USD for a bit. All right, let me speak this out. So what are you expecting here? You're expecting the sell, right? Sell like this. Is that what you're expecting? To sell to this zone. Okay, okay. So what did you look at? All right, let me go to 4 hours and let's see. Okay, there's a downtrend here, right? This is first touch, second touch, third touch, right? Third touch of the trend line to come down to this zone. All right. So is that what you saw? That's the trend line. So you traded off. You are trading just off trend line. Nothing else. You didn't see anything that made you say, okay, this is going to go down. You didn't see any other confirmation. I mean, you didn't see any other confirmation to make you say this is going to sell. It's only trend line touch that is making you say, okay, I'm going to enter this trade for a sell. Is that what you did? Okay, you have trend and you have psychology level. That's two. What else do you have here? All right, all right. Let me mark it out. All right, you have like okay, you have like end pattern like this. Let me draw it. Let me take this one out and just draw the end. Okay, like this, Abby. End pattern like this, right? Upon touch, shoots to this one. All right, all right, all right. That's a very good lookout. So let's say your trade is upon these points, right? This is where you are trading from. Upon psychology level, right? Psychology is psychology. How many people? 50 people. All right, this is a very good trade. You can see it's buying, keep going up, keep going up. This is a very good one. We already have different confluences here telling us to sell. All right, this is a very good one. Weak rejection, psychology level. Okay, so this is last week Friday. Wow, that's a very nice house. Very nice one. This is a very nice one. So let's see if this same thing have happened before. So we'll be sure of this trade, right? If this thing have happened before several times, then we'll say okay. Although these your confidences are very good, are very good. But let's see. You can see that the major trend is what? What's the major trend? Yeah. Let's go to 1 day and see. Let's just see where the market is going. I want to see where the market is going. Is it going up or going down? So majorly the market is. Can you see this? Where is the market going? This is what has been happening for the past how many years now? Where is the price going for the past how many years? Where is it going? You can see there is a higher high, lower high, lower high. All right, lower. All right, no problem. Battle. So this is going for a downtrend. The overall trend is down. You can see from the past, the price have never broken all this high. It has never gone back to break any of this high or this highest high. So it is going. This is a downtrend. So this sell is going to be a very good one. So upon the market open, the market is already open. The market has opened already. So this is a very good sell. A very good sell. So we'll go to 4 hours again. You can actually set a limit order on psychology level. You can set a limit order on psychology level. First touch, second touch, third touch. Mhm. So can we see this is a break, retest, come down, goes back up again, wants to drop again. Right. Right. This is a very good outlook. Very good. So are you gonna play this trade? Are you going to play the trade? I just want to watch it, see what it will do. You're not sure if you're going to play the trade. You're going to psychology level to give us a sweet entry. Yeah, it's already formed that end. So I'm expecting this. So what do you do out tomorrow? Yeah, Peter. Peter. All right. So look at we are looking at Euro USD. Then we look at BTC USD. So this is for the sale, right? All right. I'll check it out. Once we finish, let's see what the news is going to say. This is 27, right? That's on Monday tomorrow. 27. So we don't have any news tomorrow. Well, you just know that the news is going to move towards a direction, but you can't really, even if you okay, there's news tomorrow, but there's no like high impact news tomorrow. That's what I mean. There's no high impact news tomorrow. Now, for the news, if the actual is bigger than the prediction, investor prediction, then it's going to buy. But if the actual, that is the current news, right? Now let me quickly explain that. Give me a moment to explain it. Okay, all right. So now for trading news, can you hear me? For trading news, whether you want to know if the market is going to buy or it's going to sell, right? Now, if let's say you check the news and you are saying that okay, the actual, which is let me come to this Monday news of let me use GDP. Now you can see this GDP is not having any figures here. There's no figures here, right? Let me use this zero that have figures. Now this is zero, right? This is the previous, right? It's 9.4. Can you see this? The forecast is what? 90. This is what people forecast it to be. People are saying that the result is going to be higher than the last time result, right? It's going to be higher. Yeah, it's going to be higher. That's what people are saying here. Now, whatever the actual say is going to represent, or is going to be what is going to impact the movement of the market. Remember, this news is just a medium impact news. This is not a high impact. Whenever I see red flag on first factory, it means high impact expected. That's for red flag. When I see white flag, it means uneconomic. That means it has no impact. It has impact, right? See the yellow flag, it has a low impact. So now, when you see the previous, let's say for a high impact news, this news is going to impact. That means it will not move very rapidly, but it's going to have a move, right? So 89.4 is the previous result from the, let's say, from the last the last result. Now this actual, let's say this actual is higher than this higher. Let's say, but this is the past here. This is the result from the past here. The news before this one, it doesn't. Yes. Oh, all right. Is it on? Let me see if I can do that here. If I can go to, because let me see. Last week Monday. Let's see if we can go to last week Monday. Last week Monday after 20th. All right. This is last week Monday. All right. This is last week Monday. There's no high impact news here. Let me go to last week Tuesday. Tuesday. I want to place a high impact news as an example. Last week Tuesday. Now you can see this CPI on Canadian dollar. Can you see this? Can you see my screen? All right. You can see CPI on Canadian dollar, right? Now you can see we have how many news? High impact news. One, two, three, right? And they are all happening at 1:30 p.m. Now remember I told you that if the actual is lesser than the investor prediction, it's going to be what? It's going to be very good for that currency. It means for whatever currency whatever pair that currency is the base, that the base currency is going to do what? It's going to do what? It's going to buy. But for whatever currency that currency, the post currency is going to sell. Yeah, yes. It's lesser. All right. So now for the base, if let's say for example USD card, right? USD card. Now remember this one is lesser. The actual is lesser, right? So USD card, that means for that for card at this point in time, since it's lesser, it's very good for card. The price is very good for card. You understand? Do you understand? This is lesser. Since the result is lesser, right? The price is very good for card. So this is a negative result for card. So since this is negative for card, and let's say for USD card, which is card is the what? The full currency, right? So that means it's going to sell. Do you understand? All right. Now we remember we have three news here, right? Not even three. We have one, two, three, four. Four news. Four news coming out 1:30, right? Now remember, all these news are going to have impact on the market. What if this one is saying it's going to buy, this one is saying it's going to sell, this one is saying it's going to buy, this one is saying it's going to sell? To go, right? So what happened in that kind of aspect is that the news with the of news that says it's going to buy is going to push it more than the sell. So let's say this three says it's going to buy one, two, and three. They says it's going to buy, and this one is saying it's going to sell. So the higher the number, this is since three is saying it's going to buy and two is saying it's to sell. So that means that news has more chances of buying than selling, right? So that is how we do it. So we look at the chances. But now remember, the market is an unpredictable place, right? So you don't just place your trade because you see the news and you have said, okay, the actual have said this, because some news are manipulative. So what you have to do, if you have seen your, I didn't hear you. If your technical is good, in most cases, it is going to be in your favor. All right, that's also good. But if your technical is good, in most cases, technical is good. In most cases, when there is news, it's going to go in your favor. And you can also take advantage of the news by trading liquidity. Okay, let's look at this example. This is last week Tuesday, right? Let's go to the chart and see that week Tuesday 1:30. Let's use USD card. Remember, we're just using this example because we saw a high impact move on Tuesday. USD card 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday. Now 1:30 p.m. Tuesday. So this is last week Tuesday that we were looking for. This is Tuesday, right? 24. This is another Tuesday right here. So this was last week Tuesday, right? Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. This is Tuesday. This is Monday. Let me grade this place out. Just Tuesday. Okay, I see my chart. It is Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. All right. This is what happened on Tuesday. So let's go to 15 minutes. All right, welcome, Franklin. Welcome. Last week Tuesday. So 1:30, that's what we're looking for. So this is 12:30 right here. I think it's 1:30, 1:30 p.m. Let's look at that 12:30 news that bought that massively. You have 1:30 here. There's no 12. This is 12:30. This is 11 a.m. on Tuesday. I guess because of the time difference, that's why we can't tell. This is UTC time, right? So let's say this is 1:30 because this is UTC time, which is 1 hour ahead. Forest Factory is giving us Nigeria time. This Forest Factory is going to give us our Nigeria time. This trading view is not giving us, it's giving us UTC, not GMT plus one. So this is the news right here that pushed it up 2 hours ahead. Alright. So 1 hour ahead. So this is the news that pushed it up here. You can see this push it up. If we check here again, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Alright. If we check here, we can see this one told us is going to sell right here from the actual, which is lower. This one from the actual, this one is also lower, saying it's going to sell. This one says it's going to sell as well. This one says this one give us a lower price as well. But yet it bought massively. But yes, you can see this long buy. So that makes you understand that okay, the way news works, sometimes when you come here and you say, okay, this is going to buy or is going to sell, not just come here and don't just come up with that and just pick it. Because if you place that kind of trade in this kind of situation, you're going to price going to hit your stop loss, right? Because if you just come and place it sell and the price will sell small and hit your stop loss. Let's say you saw the trade, let's say early in the morning, you say, oh, this is going to sell. And you say, hey, it's sell. It's going to sell, right? It's going to give you a small sell, but it's going to go back and hit your stop loss. Because the news, you have to wait for the news. That's one rule, one of the major rule of the news. You wait for the news to drop, right? If you want to be trading news, you wait for the news to drop. Once it finish dropping, let's say it's just hit 1:30, right? These have dropped. Then what you do is you wait for the to see the direction where the news is going to push to before you enter the trade. Now, if the truth, if you see the news buying, like it pushes for a buy, you join the buy trade and you catch your flip. If you see the news pushing for a sell, you join the sell trade and you catch your flip. You understand? That is exactly how you should be trading news. Not using those statistics there because those things they fail many times. So this is how many PPI. This is like 50, this PPI news gives PPI news give majorly 50 pips. Like minimum, sometimes it might give like 30 pips, 20 pips, but it gives 50 pips in most cases. So do you not understand? Yeah. So once the news is coming out, you wait. Don't just go there and use all these statistics. Just use this to know that there's a news coming out. Not all these values here. They sometimes they might give you a value that will make you enter a wrong trade. Just know that. Just use this to know that okay, there's a news coming out, right? Then you go to your chart, wait for that time, and once that time gets to that time, you wait for the news to push, right? Once the news push for a buy, you join the buy. If the news push for a sell, you join the sell. You can catch like 30 pips, you jump out. Or you can catch 50 pips, you jump out, or you can ride it depending on your trading plan. So we predicted with the help of Pelumi, we have seen where GDP US is going to go. So let's go to BTC USD. Uh, Let's see what Peter have seen for this video. All right, Peter, what did you see on BTC USD? All right, all right. So this is like BTC is like an uptrend, massive uptrend. I'm hearing. All right, so that is like a limit order. All right, all right. So what did you see to enter the trade? What did you see? Yes, yes. Like why did you enter the trade? Where did you enter the trade? Is this what you saw? Can you hear me? Is this what you saw? Is this the break and retest you saw? Is this the trend line? Or, okay, hold on. Up trend line. Is it this one here? With what time frame did you draw your trend line? Okay, let me see. One day. Break and retest in one day. So where's the break and retest? Okay, let's see. Like this. Okay, so a break and retest. Let's see, maybe like this. Is it like this? Is it this one? Yeah. Below like okay, this one. This one. This one. This one. Yeah. Okay. All right. So where is the break and where is the wicket? Okay, it's broke the resistance. Okay. All right. Okay. You want to see if the market is going to buy or is going to sell? Okay. 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 All right. So you're not trading break and wicket for trend line. You're trading for resistance. So let's see where is your resistance right here. This is the 4 hours. Alright, this is your resistance here. Up here. Up here, right? This point. So if price come here, it's going to set. This is where you set your limits. 68706. Is let me see. Okay, this is where your limit is. Okay. Let's go to lower time frame and look at the limit again. Let's go to 1 hour and go to 2 minutes. Okay, I guess you don't look at 1 hour, right? You look at the 2 minutes. All right. This is 70. That's around here. All right. Look at what I've seen. What you're trying to talk about. So you are looking at this place got broken, right?